Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. My name is Sonia and this is my YouTube channel where you can find many crochet video tutorials. And today I will show you how to crochet this winter hat. It's a really warm hat made with chunky yarn, super Lana Maxi from Alize, and this pattern is very easy. It's perfect for beginners and you can easily customize the size. You can make a beanie like this or the slouch hat like this. I love wearing hats and hope you do as well. and it's winter, so guys, let's get started to create this hat. The written pattern is available for free on my blog as always. The pattern notes are available in the description box right below this video tutorial. There you can find also the links to my contacts and my social media. So if you will have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Guys, I think the winter is right in the middle and this hat is super perfect for winter days. So let's get started. First of all, let me tell you what we will need to create this hat. One ball of Super Lana Maxi from Alize. It's 100 gram balls and 100 meters or 109 yards. It has 25% wool and 75% acrylic, and it's a super chunky yarn. I will use 8 millimeters crochet hook. You will need a pair of scissors, sewing needle, stitch marker and the tape measure. I will work in rows back and forth. Let's start with a foundation chain and make this foundation chain as long as you wish for your size. So you can make it longer for the slouchy hat or shorter for the beanie. Work loosely. We will create the stitches in the bump in the third loop of the foundation chain. Okay, I'm at the end of my foundation chain. Let me measure it. It measures 31 centimeters. It's very stretchy, so as you can see, I can prolong this chain by 5 or 6 centimeters. And I will count 5-6 centimeters for the edge. You can make the edge again longer or shorter. This is it. Let's start round number 1. Chain 1, yarn over, and then insert the hook in the third loop. You have to turn the foundation chain a bit towards yourself. So there is a bump. Insert the hook in the first bump, pull yarn through, and then pull yarn through the last loop on your hook. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next bump, yarn over, pull yarn through the bump, and then the same loop, pull through both loops on your hook. This is it. For beginners, I would recommend to mark the first stitch. The first stitch in the row. Then you will repeat the instruction and make a stitch into each chain, into each bump, till you reach the last one. Here we are. Then chain 1 and then your work. Now I don't count chain 1 as a stitch. Make yarn over and insert the hook in the first stitch in the row. And I will work in back loop only. So here you can see the front and back loop. Insert the hook in the middle of the V, in the back loop only. Pull yarn through and pull yarn through both loops on the hook. Again, you can mark the first stitch with the stitch marker, and then it will be easy to start and to finish the row. Yarn over, insert the hook in the back loop of the next stitch, pull yarn through and pull yarn through both loops on the hook. And this is it, guys. This is a really easy stitch which you will repeat row by row in each stitch. Amazing. I love it. It's very stretchy pattern, and I love the knit look. So I'm at the end, work in back loop, and this is the last one, so you can clearly see the top of the last stitch, and work in back loop again to finish the row. Then you can remove the stitch marker, chain 1, and turn your work. Don't count chain 1 as a stitch. Yarn over and make a stitch in the first stitch, and you will repeat it till you are satisfied with the width of your hat. For beginners, again, I recommend always mark the first stitch in the row. Perfect. So guys, now you can continue crocheting. I would recommend you to work loosely to have the hat nicely stretchy and flexible. Now you can see the knit look like pattern. I love it. And this ribbing is very stretchy and very comfortable to wear. Here we are. Let me count the rows. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6. So we have 36 rows. I would recommend you to have an even number of rows, and width measures 42 centimeters and the length is 27 centimeters. This is it. Now I will join the sides, but before I do it, I will crochet a slip stitch edge around the longer side, around the bottom of the hat. I love to make this last round. It then looks really nice. So guys, just chain 1 and then make a slip stitch in each last stitch in the row, and you can clearly see the rows as the one row is a bit up and the second one is a bit down. So make a stitch in each row, make a slip stitch, and again make sure you work loosely. So this is it. I will meet you at the end. Amazing. And this is the point where we started. I will continue crocheting with the same yarn and the same hook. So don't cut the yarn and let's join the sides with slip stitches. I will work in back loops only, and after a few stitches you will see that this join is really invisible. Okay, so make a slip stitch in each stitch to join the stitches together and work in back loops again. Perfect. This is it. And it's really beautiful as it creates the knit look like stitch on both sides. This is amazing, isn't it? I love it. So you can keep continue crocheting. I will meet you at the end of row. So join last stitches. You can make 2 slip stitches into the last stitch to fix it. Okay, we are done, and now we have to sew the top of the hat. And guys, it will be easy. Just leave a longer tail. Again, you don't need to rejoin a new yarn. You can continue sewing with the working yarn. So just cut the yarn and leave a longer tail. And we can sew the top. So first of all, I will pull the yarn through all stitches in the row, or at the end of row. This is it. So pull yarn through last stitches. So work up and down. So pull the yarn to back and then to front. Tight the end as much as you can to close the hole, and then sew the sides. So pull yarn through both sides, work to back and to front. This is it. Amazing. You can check the sewing. So turn your work upside down and check it, and if you are satisfied you can hide the end and fasten off. And this is it. We made this hat as a one piece, so there is only the last end here, which you have to hide as well. And this is it, guys. This is the invisible sew, and I will measure the hat. With the edge like this, so it measures 23 centimeters. The edge measures 5-6 centimeters and the width is 23-24 centimeters. So this is it. I'm so happy how this hat turned out. So guys, this is the end of my video tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. I love to prepare video tutorials for you. If you will have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put the comment right below this video tutorial, or you can reach me on my Facebook page, Pinterest and Instagram. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video tutorial, please give me your thumb up. And don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Wish you very happy crocheting. Take care and bye for now. Bye bye.